everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save images from the web browser on your PlayStation 4 so you can use it as a custom background image on the background right here on the home screen. So what we want to do is go on over to Library, select this, and then go on down to Applications. Then go to the internet browser on the right side of the screen and start this up. Now we're going to want to go to Bing.com or Google.com. I think I like Bing the most, so I'm going to go to Triangle and search and just type in Bing. Now let's go on over to Images on Bing and then type something in. So let's type in Halo Infinite. Halo Infinite, press R2 and done. Now it's going to search for images under here, and we can make it full screen by pressing square. So now let's choose an image to copy. So let's go to this first one. Now this one's on Reddit. I'm going to go down to View Image. Doesn't seem like it's very large. Alright, so it made it a little bit bigger. Now what we can do is press R3 on our thumbstick, press this in, and it will zoom the image in. Okay, so I have the image how I want it. Now I'm going to press or tap the share button to take a screenshot. And then you can go on down to where it says save screenshot right here, press triangle, and you can save it by that way too. So now that I have my screenshot, we can go back to the home screen and then go on over to the library once again, and this time we want to go to Capture Gallery. So let's go to Applications, Capture Gallery, select this, and we're going to have to edit this image just a little bit, and then go to All, and here's my Halo images. So I'm going to press Options on it, and then I'm going to go to Edit in Share Factory, and edit this. And Share Factory is a free video editor on the PlayStation 4 and PS5. So you can edit photos and videos. So here is our image. Let's go to Edit Background or Edit Photo by pressing X. Then we want to pan and zoom. And we can move this in. And we can move left or right. So I'm going to move it in just like this. Press X to confirm. So I'm going to put it right there. Then we can press square to add the background. And I'm going to edit some of the borders, so the spacing to the left. Now, I think I like it just like that, maybe a little bit more saturation. So let's go to the filter and add filter and just do saturate right here. All right, that looks good. Let's press triangle to save. Now it's rendering the photo. Now we can share this later, but let's go back over to the capture gallery. My PlayStation's running a little bit slow, so here's the capture gallery. And then here's Share Factory, and here's the image I just had. It looks pretty good, right? Now we can press Options on it right here, and we can go to Set as Background. So this will be a complete custom image. And we do have the option in here to move around and crop it as well. So if we didn't want to go over to Share Factory, we can do that right here. Press X, and it will save this now as our background. So you can choose the function area to make it dim. The border on the top right here, it's a little bit more blackened. Then you can select the color for the UI, the interface. So let's go to apply right now, or you can preview. So I'm just going to apply, and it's good actually to have a static image as your background. Will speed up the processes on your PlayStation, especially on the home screen here. If you have like a moving background, you might notice it runs a little bit slower. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.